What is going on, everyone? Let me ask you one question, and let's be really real here. Who is sick and tired of having their boss breathing down their neck with their fiery, stinky, hot breath, like, and just like, oh, having someone telling you what to do all the time and micromanaging? I know that I definitely was. So in this video, you're in luck because we're gonna go over 4 ways, realistically, that you can make $800 per week without a job, and you can ditch that 9 to 5. And why do I pick that number, $800 per week? Because that was just under what I was making. I think it was like $900 to $1,000 I was making as an engineer. That was my take-home salary after tax benefits and all that jazz. So it's more than possible to create an income without having a 9 to 5 job by doing your own work from home, gigs, side hustles. And by the way, I just want to make that point that these, income streams are going to require some hustle, a little bit of effort, but it is definitely possible with the ideas and strategies I'll show you today to go ahead and kick that fiery hot breath to the curb and start making $800 per week without a job. All right, so the first way that I wanted to talk to you guys about was focus groups. Now, I actually love this idea more and more. When I was home for Christmas, my mom and I actually explored some focus groups, and one of the websites you can go to check out the available focus groups is focusgroups.org, I believe. It'll pop up on the screen. But basically what focus groups are is they're particular jobs, but they're more like research studies where you participate and you get paid a fee to participate in the study. And it could be studies relating to shopping, to research companies are doing on building new cars, really to anything relating to life. There is a research focus group, and if you are a good candidate, I think the applications take hardly any time, maybe less than 5 minutes to apply, and chances are you'll get selected. I think 1 in 5 people are selected on average for focus groups, and some focus groups you can go and do the study in person, but some focus groups you can do it online, and that's the really cool thing. But definitely don't discredit the ones that you go and do in person, because I have a friend who from one focus group on a Saturday, I think, or maybe it was a full weekend, on a weekend made $1,000 from one focus group study for only 8 hours of work. That's quite a bit of money. It's a good chunk of change for participating in a fun research survey on a weekend. So I would definitely check out focusgroups.org if you want to learn more information about working in a research study. All right, so the next way that you could make money outside of your job is with a website called CueMe, which is a platform where you can get paid to browse the web, shop online, do normal things that you would have already done in your daily internet browsing life. You get paid for your opinion, shopping online, taking a survey of the experience, and that type of thing. And the cool thing is they do pay you cash, well, not cash, but through PayPal. So you can check out that website if you are interested in making money with doing things that you would have already been doing. All right, so the third way you could start generating income on a weekly basis is with renting a friend. Now, I know everyone's like, Marissa, what are you talking about? That sounds scary. It's no different than any dating app, really, like Tinder or Bumble or all these dating apps nowadays. But with Rent a Friend, and also with a website called Show Around, people will pay you when they arrive in a new city. So at the making of this video, for example, I'm in Medellin, Colombia. So if somebody got on Rent a Friend and I put my profile on Rent a Friend, they could rent me. So let's say my rate was $25 an hour for me to show them around the city or go out at any type of event. They could do that, and I could make however much an hour that I put on Rent a Friend. So it's kind of cool because you make a new friend and you get paid for it. The idea is similar with Show Around. Show Around, you get paid to show people around your city, to take them to different local spots, to show them whatever they want to see. So you get to kind of make the rules, make your own rate. And of course, as you get better ratings, like on Show Around, for example, you can increase your hourly rate. And if you think about how cool this actually is, so, the other night I was going out with some friends, and drinks here in this particular city are super cheap. You could get like a margarita for $2.50, $3, right? So if somebody's paying you, let's say even $20 an hour, they're paying for like a whole night's worth of going out. I mean, so that's like, if you think about it that way, it's kind of cool. It's just an extra added bonus of, you know, renting a friend and showing people around town. And so, by the way, to interrupt this video, I did want to announce the Instagram shout out winner of last week of this video. I did a tribute to Kobe Bryant and his millionaire habits that he taught us. And the winner of that shout out on Instagram is Moments of Reflection 38. So thank you so much for your thoughtful response on what Kobe Bryant taught us about millionaire habits and your thoughts about what your favorite moment was in him teaching us about the Mamba mentality, entrepreneurship, and, you know, what he taught us about being great. So thank you, Moments of Reflection 38, for your thoughtful comment. All right, so the next way to start bringing in some extra income and cash per week is with a website called OneSpace. So think of OneSpace as a Upwork or a Fiverr website where it's a freelance website, but it really is more of a quick side hustle type gig that you can get online. So with OneSpace, it's free to sign up. You create your profile, and the cool thing about it is you can mark all of the skill sets that you are good at. So maybe you're a good writer, communicator, maybe you can do some video editing, some graphic design. There's all kinds of different options to choose from on OneSpace. So that's really cool, because when new job openings and opportunities come up, the system like matches your skill sets with the new positions, or not positions, but the new jobs for different businesses or influencers that are available. And so you would get paid directly from that website once you complete the work. And the work can range from anything from virtual assistant work, like entering receipts into a database, to copywriting, to, like I said, graphic design, or any type of freelance skill set that you have. So I just mentioned 4 ways, and you're probably thinking, oh, this video is not over. That's right, I totally bring the heat and over deliver on this channel. So if you have not already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. I post every single week. And if you are really interested in building an online business that is wildly profitable, has no salary cap, you can really dominate online in whatever niche or expertise you have, I would highly suggest you download my Subscribers to Sales Blueprint, which teaches the exact steps on how I built my 6-figure online business with the YouTube platform. I know I give a lot of advice on side hustles and work from home jobs on this channel, but I think the end goal and the idea is to eventually build your online business to have that freedom, that location independence, be a digital nomad, have more time with your family, etc., etc. All right, so the next website where you can start to make an income online, and this is the 5th one, I believe, is Google Opinion Awards. Now, it's kind of similar to what I mentioned with CueMe, and so Google, obviously, they're reliable and trustable. Everyone like probably uses Google every day, but they team up with these big brands, and so these brands leverage Google's audience so that they can get feedback and customer experience surveys on how they are doing with their services and the experience of their products. So these companies, they want real user feedback, and this is where Google Opinions is, you know, really good, because you can, you know, help out with these companies and give them feedback on whatever type of product that they are marketing and delivering to the public. The only drawback is that if you have an Android, you get paid in cold hard rewards points or gift cards, which, hey, that shouldn't be taken lightly. You know, these gift cards are, you know, they're not like dumb gift cards. They're gift cards that you would actually use, like gift cards on Amazon.com, etc., etc. But if you do have an iPhone, you are eligible to get paid for PayPal. So I would check out Google Opinion Rewards for more information. Okay, so the next way to start making an income online and to start your side hustle is with a website called Scurvy. So Scurvy is a website where you can become a transcriptionist, and you can help businesses and brands and influencers and anyone really who has video content help transcribe their videos into subtitles or into captions, etc., etc. So it's taking the audio files, listening to the audio files, and transcribing them into a subtitle. So transcribing has become in super high demand lately. You see it all the time on IGTV videos where, you know, they'll have the IGTV video and they'll have the little subtitle. So it's really important for these businesses to have these transcriptions, because a lot of times when people are browsing Instagram, YouTube, or wherever, they aren't always able to listen or to play the audio because maybe they're, you know, on their phone and they're not supposed to be, but they could read easily the transcription. And so that is why it's really cool to be able to, you know, make that quick cash. You can sign up for free on Scurvy. You can start being a transcriptionist right away. So everyone, I really hope that this video has given you massive value, and I know that if you like this video, you are going to love this video right here. People have raged about it. It's called 12 side hustles that you can do in 2020, and that video starts right now. I'll see you on that video. I'm alone producing a 6-figure income with just my AdSense revenue. It sounds kind of weird, but I think this is actually kind of cool.